guys, today we're going to be testing out these new sound buttons that I got on a Pinterest app on my phone. Okay, so the first one...
Not 3.
That's okay. The first one is this one. Pretty good.
I would give that a 10 out of 10.
I rate that one a 9.5559 out of 10. Next one is the Vine Boom sound. That one is a classic. I wrote that one 8 out of 10.
I wrote that one 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, next is the Riz sound effect. That one is also a classic for when you're whizzing up the huzz. I vote this one 10 million out of 10.
I wrote this one 67 out of 10.
Next is a fart. That one is pretty lame. I'm gonna give that one a 2 out of 10.
Give that one a 5 out of 10.
Okay, next is the Among Us role reveal. That one is also a classic. I vote that one a 69 million out of 10. What about you?
10 out of 10.
Next is the enemy wow. I vote that one 10 out of 10. Multiple
10
uses.
out of 10.
Next is the SpongeBob fail. That one's like a 4 out of 10.
I'd give that one a 6.6 or 7.5 out of 10.
It's pretty measly. Next is this one. It's a little creepy. I say a 4 out of 10.
I'd do it. Next is the Romance CCCC.
Okay, that one is a 67 million out of 10.
I really like that one. 10 out of 10. Next is the Metal Pipe Clang.
I don't know, guys. It's pretty loud. Okay. Next is...
What is the demon?
I wrote that. I wrote that one infinity out of 10.
Me too. Next is... We already did... Next is Error Sounds. That one is also a classic.
The button fell off.
So I read that. I'd read
Oh
that.
my god, there's a whole freaking thing. That's okay.
I'll rate that a 10 out of 10.
I think that one's 10 out of 10. Still very relevant.
Next is the Hub intro.
Okay, 0. And this is the last one since the video is getting a little bit long and you people have a short attention span.
Dark